watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
With summer quickly approaching, now is the ideal moment to update your kitchen's design to capture the upbeat and cheery vibe of the season. Use summery colors, organic materials, and imaginative accents to turn your kitchen into a warm and inviting area. Fresh flowers and foliage. Add some fresh flowers and foliage to your kitchen design to bring the outside inside. A pot of fresh herbs or a vase of sunflowers can add some color and a pleasing scent to your kitchen, bringing life and invitingness to the space. Vibrant and joyful accents. Incorporate vivid hues into your kitchen accessories. Replace your outdated placemats, drapes, and dish towels with ones that are vibrant green, blue, or yellow. Your kitchen may feel brighter and more open with these simple adjustments. DIY citrus centerpieces. Create a DIY centerpiece using fresh citrus fruits like lemons, limes, and oranges. Place them in a clear bowl or a rustic wooden tray for a simple yet stunning display. The fresh scent of citrus will also add a refreshing touch to your kitchen. Coastal and nautical themes. Embrace a coastal theme with nautical decor elements such as seashells, starfish, and maritime colors. These touches can make your kitchen feel like a seaside retreat, perfect for summer. Light and airy fabrics. To keep your kitchen feeling light and airy, go for light and airy fabrics. During the sweltering summer, light-colored linen or cotton textiles might give the impression that your kitchen is larger and cozier. Add touches of rustic farmhouse style to your design, such as distressed furniture, wooden signs, and old jars. These accessories give your kitchen a warm, inviting ambience that is ideal for a carefree summertime atmosphere. Open shelving displays. Use open shelving to display your summer-themed dishes and decor. Brightly colored plates, bowls, and glassware can add a pop of color and make your kitchen look more festive and welcoming. Herb garden corner. Set up a small herb garden in your kitchen. Fresh herbs like basil, mint, and parsley not only add greenery but also provide fresh ingredients for your summer recipes. Beachy blue accents. Add beachy blue accents to the design of your kitchen. The cool, soothing effect of blue tones, evocative of the water, can be achieved through paint, tiles, or accessories. Floral prints and patterns. Incorporate floral patterns and prints into the design of your kitchen. You may feel more colorful and bring a hint of summer indoors with floral tablecloths, curtains, and pillows. Wicker and rattan elements. Use wicker and rattan elements for a natural and rustic touch. Wicker baskets for storage or rattan bar stools can add texture and a summery feel to your kitchen. Fruit and veggie displays. Display fresh fruits and vegetables on your countertops. Not only does it add color, but it also encourages healthy eating and gives your kitchen a fresh and lively look. Pastel color palette. Opt for a pastel color palette for a soft and serene summer kitchen. Colors like mint green, soft pink, and baby blue can create a calm and refreshing atmosphere. Change your light fixtures. Replace your old, outdated light fixtures with something more summer-ready. Think about styles that are airy and light, such as pendant lights with woven shades or fixtures with a nautical motif. Outdoor-inspired decor. Include components such as garden tools, potted plants, and artwork with a natural theme that are influenced by the outdoors. These finishing touches can create a sense of outdoor space in your kitchen and bring the essence of summer indoors. By incorporating these summer kitchen decor ideas, you can create a bright, cheerful, and welcoming space that captures the essence of the season. Enjoy the process of transforming your kitchen and make the most of the sunny summer days ahead. Happy decorating!